Looking at SOS Limited here. Um, yeah, it was very, very, very bearish for a long time. Wow. I've never even looked at this stock before. That is insane. Was once. Holy. What happened here? This was at $5,600 down to six. Yeah, I don't know anything about the stock. It came across as something that might be interesting to look at technical wise, and yeah, it definitely is interesting. So from over $5,500 down to six. Would not recommend buying this. And but it's also tough to say because like if you were to short it, I mean it can only go $6 more down. That's the thing. So you can't. That's I mean most stocks don't really hit zero. Although this one came pretty close. I mean 250. Jeez. So yeah, I would not buy this at all. Even if you're like, oh, like because you've seen this bullish spike here from 450 all the way to $9. You could have doubled your money in one day. That gets greasy, and that's just straight gambling unless you're inside trading, which, I mean, it's probably what happened here, to be honest. Yeah, most likely you're not inside trading, and therefore I would not trade this at all. I would still continue to short this, even though technically it did just cross over the daily moving average and might be somewhat bullish. I mean, ish, like. But from a pure technical standpoint, I would like to see it. If I was to buy this, which I am definitely not, I would like to see it break and hold above 650. So here, I'll even draw this out, and I'll watch this for a while and just see because I'm kind of curious what it does. But 650 would kind of be what you would want to, the price that you would want to have broken to even consider buying this. And I don't know. To be honest, I don't know anything about the stock. If there's enough, I just know it was once $5,600. So I mean, there is a chance that like, if there's hype and momentum behind this, I mean, it was once $5,500. Like, I'm not saying it would go back up to that, but it's been a lot higher in the past. So a lot higher than $6. So it could definitely go up if there's momentum behind it. That is crazy to me. If this does start going back up. I never seen something so bearish in my life. Like, that is just nuts. It's just straight down. Unreal. So yeah, look for $6, $6.50 to break here on the weekly. And then maybe if you wanted to gamble, I guess you could take a buy and then maybe try to double your money and get out, or just it's kind of just double or nothing. Either you invest your money and then if you lose it all, you lose it all, or you might double it real quick and then get out. So that is it's a form of trading, I guess. It's not my ideal form, but people do it, so I guess you could as well. But yeah, 650 is definitely the price to break, and then if it breaks that and holds well, on a weekly standpoint, then it might come a bit higher. And then I think the next real zone is up here, which is still part of these wicks, which you wouldn't even technically double your money, because you wouldn't double your money until you're up here. So I mean, that's it's pretty iffy. You might make 50% on your money though, so that would be okay. But yeah, that's tough to say. Before I bought this, if I was to ever buy it, which I'm definitely not, you'd have to break this 650 level on the weekly, no questions asked, nothing to debate there. It's got to break this. There's 3 days left on this week, so we'll see if this breaks this. I'll check back in a few days on Friday and see if this holds above this area here, above $7 for sure. But then if it doesn't hold above that, then no buying opportunity for this SOS, because it is definitely in need of some help.